The other day, I just finished my Scratch project. Actually, I think it was yesterday of recording. So let's go check it out, and it's really cool. This goes into my speedrun series, even though it technically isn't a speedrun. But you wait and see. I mean, heck, come on. Alright, as you can see, I'm actually going to change my featured project on Scratch to NoEscape.exe simulator. Let's click on it. And also, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using Turbo Warp, a Scratch mod, for best performance. As Scratch does have some limitations, and Turbo Warp really kind of removes them. Anyways, while my Scratch project is loading, I'll go ahead and copy the oops link here and there. And the reason why I said oops was because I did the wrong keyboard shortcut for a minute. But that's something else. Anyways, I'm the owner of this project, so it looks a bit different. But there you have it. And it is currently loading. Takes a while to load. I may speed up the footage here. Okay, no. Alright, as you can see, welcome to NoEscape.exe simulator. Use arrow keys to go to the next page. I'll post a link about NoEscape.exe in the description. It's to a video made by the creator of this virus, who did not make this virus for harmful purposes, by the way, just so that you know. And yeah. So on Turbo Warp, I'm going to enable high quality pen to make sure because this uses pen and I want to make sure it has the best experience. All right. But to give you some background knowledge in case you don't know what NoEscape.exe is, it's basically a type of Trojan horse that is very clever, and I think it's time for me to show you what it does. Although instead of running it on a virtual machine or on my actual computer, I'm just going to make a simulation of it using Scratch, which I already did, so I'm going to run it now. This will not affect my computer at all, by the way. This will literally not even affect anything. Anyways, that's about it. For the purposes of entertainment, I'm going to pretend I'm a complete newbie and I just downloaded the No Escape virus and I thought it was a Windows update. So, actually, it's not even a Windows the operating system that was simulated here wasn't even Windows. That would take too long, anyways. It instead was just a really, really, really bare bones operating system that kind of sucks and doesn't even have a taskbar or shut down button. Anyways, it still works though. So, again, I'm gonna pretend like I'm a complete newbie and that this is a Windows update. And I don't know what's going on. But make sure you watch the other video. There might be a card on it up top that explains about No Escape, or not explains, but shows you what it even does on the actual virus, not my poor simulation of it. Okay, it isn't poor, but come on. Okay, the intro is way too long, so let's get to the actual video. Alright, I'm about to pretend that I'm an idiot that thought NoEscape.exe was a Windows update. It was actually made to be if it was made to be harmful, then it would probably pretend itself to be a Windows customization tool. But more on that. Actually, no. That's a story for another day. I'm not going to talk about that. Anyways, the point is, I'm all I'm gonna go ahead and start the operating system in the simulation because if we're gonna simulate what no escape is like, you gotta have an operating system. And this is what I'm talking about. It's very basic, no taskbar, no nothing. You can't even restart. But it does have a desktop icon that says no escape. Alright, whatever. I'm about to pretend that I think this is a Windows update. So I'll give you a countdown from three. Three, two, one, go. Okay, so the other day I just installed a Windows update that no, it isn't even a Windows update. It's it's this simple OS update. Okay, jokes aside from that silliness, I'm not if I said Windows update, then I mean this OS update. Anyways, whatever. Back to the joke. Anyhow, it's time to download this and run it. If there's anything good about this operating system that I hate, I paid about like $10 for this, is that it at least has some user account control like Windows 10 and Windows 11. Heck. Anyways, we don't need it this time as I literally clicked on it. So let's click continue. Oh, and by the way, before I do that, I just want to brag on myself to make on making this really cool desktop. Yes, I know I hate it though. Anyways, the date is 1/1 and I'm going to click continue. By the way, again, jokes aside, the date is not 1/1 when I was recording the video. Okay, back to the joke. Wait, why is it restarting? What? Okay, I saw a message. I forgot to read what it was. Oh. Anyways, we have to enter a password. Okay, Okay, so for the OS, I sent my password to Cordy. Okay, in reality, guys, jokes aside again, I'm not pretending to be anything this time. I did not set any of my passwords to QWERTY. This is just for entertainment purposes. Do not try to hack into any of my accounts with the password QWERTY or QWERTY. It's not going to work. Okay, anyways, let's press enter and get into my OS, which should be updated, although it usually takes longer. Wait, it's not? It's not? Okay, I did read that the password may change to death, and that's just a bug that happened before they released it. Jeez, the OS company is so dumb. It's called Simple OS, and it sucks, and I only paid like $10 for it. What? Okay, the date must be changed. Options 10/21, 1/14, 3/9, and one more. What's that last one? Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and just do tomorrow then, I guess. I suppose that could be go one more. Wait, what? Fine, I'll try one of the options. I guess it just rejected it then. And I think it did say it's gonna restart. Yep. It needs to restart just to save a simple thing. How annoying is life? Even though this OS does have a pretty good startup time, pretty fast. Okay, let's try death. Bro, what is this? NoEscape.exe. This was the update icon. Okay, what do I do? What do I do? Okay, I think I clicked on it. Can I get rid of this? Ugh. Can't get rid of it? Okay. Wait, what? It just stopped? Oh, great. Let's try that next one then. 1/14. And of course it restarts. Restarting. Simple OS. Log in to continue. There's no skip, bro. Cool. Message. Front door says no computer today. Silly boy, go outside to play? What? Same message. Not this always sucks so much that I can't even do anything. Message, same message. Is this just gonna go on forever? I really hope it won't end like this. Oh great. Let's just try 3.9 then. Enter. Of course it restarts. Life. Simple OS. Alright, we logged in, okay? Wait, what? Okay, what is happening to my background? Heck, how? What? Okay, I can barely read the words. Who? By the way, why did the update change my background? I'm feeling like this isn't an upgrade anymore, or an update. Oh, oh my gosh, jeez. Okay, it just stopped. You saved me. Oh, great. So I figured out the last one. I actually have it. I'm gonna go search it up on my other computer. Okay, by the way, jokes aside again, sorry about interrupting this funny joke. But I actually know the last one. Let's just pretend that was a joke. I didn't actually search it up. Go. Alright, I found out that the last one is 19. 918. What in the world could be go wrong? I think it accepted it, restarting. Simple OS? Perfect. Doesn't look like anything's wrong. Why did this update not even change? Okay, I shouldn't even call it an update. What should I call it? Malware? Or what? This window? Okay, so there should be an X right here for me to click. Oh, wait, what? There's no escape now. Do not try to close this window. Your computer is now done for anyway. Bro, what? Do you want to enjoy the last minutes using your computer? Sure, but I want to close out this window now. I don't even care when it says your computer is now done for anyway. I want it to hit the X. You know what? Let's respond to this first. I feel like we must need to respond to this if we want to do anything. You have 60 seconds. I really wished it was minutes. Oh, and the window went gone. Phew. Maybe that was a good option. Maybe it will never pop up again. Let's see. Wait, what? Your PC ran into a problem and needs. Okay, unhappy face. Your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. We're just collecting some error info and then we'll restart for you. No percentage complete tracker available. If you call a support person, give them this info. Stop code. Critical process died. Seriously? A blue screen of death? This is the last. Wait, what? I was about to say no QR code, but like, what? An operating system wasn't bound. Try disconnecting any drives that don't contain an operating system. What? It deleted my operating system? What? Okay, just kidding. Jokes aside. Jokes aside. That was the end of that really funny part. If you are let's read the rest of this message. If you are reading this and you didn't look inside, that means you have finished the simulator. Sorry about this, that it cut off the text here and here. Um, I can't fix that. Like can, but like I didn't actually write the. I didn't exactly write all of the code for this. I actually borrowed some of it, and unfortunately, it seems like the word wrap didn't work out correctly, so it just kind of cut corners a bit. Okay, now it didn't really cut corners. But yeah, there's my simulation. I'm gonna put a link down below if I can to the simulator, I guess, so that you can experience this yourself. Also, if you had said no to that prompt where it asks you, "Do you want to enjoy the last minutes of your computer?" then it would have just the app, then it would have closed the window and then waited for 5 seconds and then did this blue screen of death and then did this. So yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this game. Sorry for not posting something really good this week, but you know. Anyways, that's it for this video on Coding Andy. Goodbye.